Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm testing out this Baby Lips by Maybelline. What it is, it says it's 12-hour hydration with moisturizing oils in the color Toasted Taupe. So it says that it's a color Balm crayon. Let's go ahead and just open it up. Yeah, it is a crayon. Oh, that looks like a beautiful, beautiful color. Look at that color. So let's go ahead and just try it on the lips and see how it feels. Does it feel like it has moisturizing oils? I think the color's a tad bit bland for me, a little bit more pale. I thought it was going to be more like toasty looking, but it looks like a foundation color on my lips. And if I were to tell you what it feels like, it just feels like a very hydrating lip gloss, lipstick, something like that. Does it feel good on the lips? Yes. Does it have a pleasant fragrance? Yes. Is it the wrong color for me? Yes. But I think if you were more tanned than I am, maybe that would be a beautiful color. But I thought I would just turn on the camera, show you guys what it looked like. Do you like the color? Well, maybe I like it. If I step back, maybe I like it. It's not so, it looks very natural. Like a nude, I guess you could say. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section down below. But if you're down there, if you could hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. It does feel good on the lips, guys. It really does. Especially if you have chapped lips. Anyways, I'm Christina Marie. I'm out.